All right, welcome once again to the second part of our presentation tonight, which is the business plan presentation, or we're going to explain it as the compensation plan of the company. All right, there are three entry packages. First is the silver, gold, and then the diamond. The silver, it has a 200 PB equivalent. PB means point value. Yan. So, kung ikaw ay bumili ng classic, ng Iron Shield, ng Seven Wonders, or even the newest product, okay, the Premium Plus, it has a 400 PB. So, pagka ikaw bumili nitong mga produkto na ito, meron pong corresponding na pin. Yan. Yan din po ang magiging distinction kung ito bang binibili nyo na produkto ay legit. Kasi po meron siyang kasamang pin, and of course, it has a 1-year warranty. Right? So kung gusto niyo naman po yung medyo level up na mga products katulad ng premium, o kaya ng BioLite, yan, you can buy it, and then meron po yung mga equivalent na pins na pag niregister nyo po yan, ay equivalent siya sa gold account. Okay? Because it has a 600 point value. Or if ever you will buy 3 classic and then you're going to decide to register it as one single account, and then your account will be called gold account. All right? So, or kung gusto niyo naman, bumili kayo ng 3 classic pero i-register niyo ng paisa-isa. So, you're going to have 3 silver accounts. Right? So, it's gonna be your discretion, whatever you want. If ever you will buy 3 classics. Okay? So, for diamond naman, for those who want to buy the Bio, the Pro, and of course, the Oxytap. Yan. So, konti na lang po ang remaining units. So, habol-habol po. So, ito po yung another hot cake product po natin ngayon, yung Oxytap. So, kasi po talagang grabe ang epekto nito. Especially those who have already a severe health concerns. Or, kung gusto niyo naman po na bumili ng 10 classic dahil nako, kayo po ay malaki ang pamilya nyo, ang angkan nyo, at gusto nyo talaga na bigyan isa-isa o regaluhan ang mga kamag-anak mo. Pwede rin po bumili ka niyan. So, meron din siyang 10 na pin. So, kung gusto mo, isa-isa mo siyang i-register. So, meron kang 10 na silver account. Pero, kung gusto mo naman na magkaroon ka ng diamond account, so itong 10 pin na ito na galing sa pagbili mo ng 10 classic, pwede mo siyang i-register as one single account. And that one single account will be called as diamond. Okay, so once again, we only have 3 silver entry packages, which is the silver, the gold, and the diamond. And of course, throughout the years, no, so masasabi natin na grabe talaga ang naging growth nitong ating ng ating company in just a span of 28 months. There's a lot already of branches that had opened in different countries and regions around the world. So tonight, we're going to explain to you the 8 ways to generate income once you join here in doing the Pripe business. So makikita nyo po dyan, there's 8 different ways to earn. So iisa-isahin po natin yan. So first is the direct sponsorship bonus. Okay? So dito po makikita nyo tatlo nga po ulit ang accounts natin, silver, gold, and diamond. And of course, may kanya-kanyang point value yan. So makikita nyo dyan, ang silver, it has 200 PB, ang gold 600, and diamond 200 PB. At dyan po kukunin yung ibibigay na sponsorship bonus, which is 10% will be taken from the PB per package. So 10% po ng 200, it's $20. So diyan po yan galing. So meaning to say, ikaw nakapag-register ka, bumili ka ng isang classic, naka-register ka as silver account. So ngayon, pagka ikaw nag-share ka ng product at yung na-sharean mo, bumili ng produkto, syempre meron din kasamang pin yan, at yung pin na yun, pag ni-register yun na silver package, you will get that one, the $20 dollar. Or kung halimbawa naman yung na-sharean mo ay bumili BioLite. So, at ilan ang equivalent point value niyan, 'di ba? It's 600. So, pag ni-register 'yon, it's gold package. So, instead of $20, ang makukuha mong sponsorship bonus is $60. Yan. So, kung halimbawa naman may bumili sa'yo nung Oxita, yan. So, pagka ni-register mo yan, diamond po ang equivalent niyan. Okay? So, syempre, mas mataas ang point value niyan. That's 2,750. So, i-times nyo lang po ng 10%, ayun yung makukuha nyo na sponsorship bonus. That's gonna be $275. So, that's how we compute or give the sponsorship bonus. And not only that, sa pag-register nyo, hindi lang sponsorship bonus ang makukuha nyo. You can get also points. Okay, so itong mga points na ito yung nakasanayan natin ngayon, di po ba? Pagka tayo mag-grocery, magsa-shopping tayo, meron tayong mga pinapakita na reward card. Ano itong reward card na ito? Ito yung ina-accumulate natin ng mga points. At later on, yung mga points na yan, pwede natin gamitin din na pang-purchase. So, same thing goes in our Pride business. So, bawat product po, or bawat pin na nire-register natin, nakakakuha na tayo ng sponsorship bonus. And at the same time, meron pa po tayo na-accumulate na points. Okay? So kung halimbawa po nag-register kayo ng silver account, di po ba kanina nakakuha tayo ng $20 na bonus, sponsorship bonus. So aside from that, you will be given $70 in terms of points. Okay? So yung mga points na yan, iniipon po natin yan at our back office. At dadating po ang time na tayo ay makakapag-redeem ng product ng gusto po natin. Okay, so yung meron po tayong mga listahan ng mga product na may mga corresponding point value. So kung gusto nyong maka-claim kayo ng classic, so kailangan natin mag-accumulate ng 350. Okay, so kung gusto naman po natin ng BioLite, so accumulate lang po tayo ng 1,200 na points and then we can redeem BioLite. So mamimili na po tayo ng mga produkto na gusto natin na makuha na libre. Pag-ipunan lang po natin ng mga points po natin. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo po, no, malaki po ang point na makukuha nyo kapag kayo ay nakapag-register ng isang diamond account. Makukuha nyo rito is 1,000 points. Di po ba? Ang laking boost agad ito doon sa ina-accumulate nyo na points. So in short, mas maganda po is makapag-register kayo ng mga diamond account. Alright. So we're now going to proceed to the third bonus, which is the every level pairing bonus. Ito yung pinaka-exciting. Di ba? Why exciting? Kasi fast track income po ito. Ito po yung mabilis na way to really earn. Why? Because ito pong level pairing bonus na ito ay 40%. Yung kanina kung 10% lang, at yung points naman is 35%. Ito is 40%. Okay, just imagine ang laki po na ito. So how it goes is, pagka kayo po ay magre-register, is dalawa lang naman po ang posisyon na po pwede nyong paglagyan. It's either on the left or on the right. So pagka nakapag-register na kayo on the left, so mas maganda i-register nyo doon sa kabila, doon sa right. Why? Because aside from the sponsorship bonus, aside from the redemption points, meron po kayong makukuhang pairing bonus. And how much is that? That's $80. Okay? Pagka pareho pong silver, ang nag-pair, that's $80. Again, it's the first pairing in every level. So on the second level, sabihin na natin na na-inspire ka na mag-accumulate ng points. Di ba? Sabi natin kanina, pagka diamond ang sponsoran mo, ang laki agad ng points mo. So, inuna mo siyang i-register doon sa left mo. Kaya lang, wala ka naman agad-agad na mai-register na diamond account, ang bumili sa'yo silver. Okay, so okay lang din yan. So niregister mo on the right. So magkano makukuha mo? Dahil diamond and silver, you will get the lower. Okay, which is the silver. Magkano bang pairing na silver? It's 80. So yung remaining po is makukuha nyo by the time na itong si silver account ay later on magiging interesado sa business gagawin ng business, and magle-level up siya into diamond account. So, yung remaining nun, makukuha mo na. Alright? So, same thing goes kung silver or diamond. Okay? Ito yung maganda. Ito yung pinaka-super sa fast track. Okay? Pagka dalawang diamond ang nag-pair. Okay? Why? It's because you're going to get $800. So kung ita-times natin yan, for simple computation lang po na 1:50 yung ating exchange. Okay? But of course, the real is a 1:55 just for the sake of fast computation. Di ba? Alam ko excited kayo no, na mag-compute kasi kayo dahil dollar po kasi ito. Alam ko kino-compute nyo na yan sa peso. Okay, para mas mabilis, sabihin na natin 1:50. So 50 times 8, that's how much? That's 40,000. Yan. So is it possible? Yes, it's really possible. At yan yung masarap dyan kasi kung diamond to diamond, yan, 40,000 ka ng 40,000 peso. Peso na yan. Baka mag-abono pa ako nito. Okay, so that's 40,000 pesos. And another good news, hindi po kayo magsasawa na magpe-pair po yan because the system will go by infinity computation. Meaning to say, kahit nasang ibang bansa yan na nag-register gabi, madaling araw, umaga, tanghali, okay? Basta nag-pair po yan, 800 ng 800 kung parehong diamond. So kung pareho naman siyang silver, it's 80. Kung minsan naman po, nagkakataon, pareho namang gold ang nagpe-pair. So that's going to be $240. Yan. So, sa magandang ano po ito para sa mga nagsisimula, you can maximize this level pairing bonus. Okay? So another thing naman, the next is the group pairing bonus. Kung halimbawa, na-experience mo na maganda palang side hustle itong private business, pwedeng kumita ng hindi lang pang grocery, pangbuhay-buhay na talaga pala ito. Okay? At talagang sineryoso mo, inaral mo ang negosyo. So this time around, hindi lang produkto ang sinishare mo, pero talaga namang yung konsepto na mismo ng negosyo ang ino-offer mo na may potential na product, may potential na income, and you can do it global. So yun na ang talagang mindset mo. Kaya every time na may gusto kang i-share, i-share mo intentionally the business. So meaning to say, marami ka nakukuha ng mga business partner mo na gusto talagang gawin ang business. So pagka ganyan po ang nangyari, diyan mo mapapansin na mas mabilis lumaki yung organization mo. Nagwa-wide na siya, nagdi-deep na yung mga registration mo kasi marami ka ng mga nai-invite na mga business partners mo na gumagawa din ng business. So dito ka kikita nitong passive income na tinatawag nating group pairing bonus. Alright. So yung kanina, di ba, every pair in every level, nakakakuha ka ng $80, right? So this time around, yung pangalawang pair, okay, yung second, kasi nag-wide na siya, di ba? Kumbaga second pair in every level, doon ka na makakakuha ng group pairing bonus. Okay? At yung group pairing bonus, makukuha mo yan na mag-start ka sa 4th level. At how much ang pwede mong makuha? Depende sa account mo ngayon. Okay? Remember, we have 3 different kinds of accounts, the silver, gold, or diamond. So sabihin na natin, nagsimula ka sa silver. Okay? And then, pagka nag-pair na, okay, ibig sabihin nag-pair yung second pair na in every level doon sa 4th level, alright? So makakakuha ka ng 8%. Okay, how much is that? That is $16. Okay? So, ito po ang pinag-uusapan natin na you na account, na ikaw yan. So, kung ikaw naman ay gold, nag-upgrade ka, ang makukuha mo naman is 10%, which is $20. Pero syempre, dahil gusto mo yung medyo yung mataas, yung pinakamataas na account, pwede kang mag-upgrade. Okay? So it's another feature ng ating marketing plan na huwag kang mag-alala kung nakapagsimula ka lang ng silver account. Okay? Later on, pwede ka nang mag-upgrade. Okay? So mag-upgrade ka, you will just buy an equivalent product para doon sa Diamond account. So once you meron pong feature doon sa ating back office for upgrade. So napakadaling proseso lang po yan. And then now, finally, you are diamond account. So you can enjoy the 12%. Okay? So that's $24. So lahat po ng magka-prepare na yan, okay, that's already $24. Kasi diamond na yung account mo. Okay? Ang maganda pa niyan, dire-diretso lang po yan. Okay? And paano magiging limit? Pagdating po sa registration, wala pong limit. Ang may limit lang po dito yung payout. Okay? So, depende po yan kung anong account ka. Kaya po pagka siyempre, pag maliit pa yung organization mo, pwede ka na mag-maintain ka lang as silver account because your maximum payout is $300. Okay? Kasi maliit pa naman yung ano mo, yung organization mo. Pero pagka yan naku-compute mo na, na-estimate mo na, uy, dumadami na pala yung nagre-register, meron na pala nag-register sa Japan, uy, meron na pala nag-register sa Europe. No, so minsan hindi mo na siya na-monitor. Okay? So much better, yun na yung sign na mag-upgrade ka na. So much better mag-upgrade ka na to gold. Mas maganda idiretso mo na. Diretso mo na upgrade mo na sa diamond. Why? Because ang diamond po ay may maximum payout capacity ng $3,750. Okay? Per day po yan per day. So kung ita-times po natin yan sa sa peso, ay 6 digit po yan. Yan po ay maraming zero po yan. So meaning to say, that's close to 200,000 ang maximum na pwede mong kitain in every single day. So kung sabihin na lang natin na 200,000 per day, so kung ma-maintain mo po yan in 1 month, so that's gonna be 6 million. So yan po ang potential earning dito po sa number 4, yung sa group pairing bonus in one account. Kung halimbawa, malaki talaga yung organization mo, nag-duplicate ka na ng account, so yan po yung capacity niya. Iba pa po yung first level pairing kanina, iba pa po yung sponsorship, at syempre iba pa rin yung nagre-redeem ka ng mga points. So, iba't ibang klase po ng income ways to earn po dito. Alright? So, I'm going to give you a note lang or reminder for this group pairing bonus. So, levels 1, 2, and 3 receive only a level pairing bonus. Okay? Kasi po, mag-i-start nga po yung ating group pairing bonus. Saan po? On the 4th level. Kaya yung 1, 2, and 3, ang makukuha mo lang doon, yung level pairing. Yun yung income number 3. Okay? So, makaka-start ka ng receive on the 4th level. And gaano ba kalaki pwede mo makuha? Depending on your account. It's either 8%, 10%, or 12%. And of course, it all also depends on the maximum payout. Kaya po dadating yung time na talaga po tayo ay mag-upgrade. Alright? So another ways to earn is leadership bonus. Okay. So syempre, gusto mo pang palakihin yung iyong organization dahil dumadami yung mga business partners mo. At syempre, yung mga business partners mo, gusto mo na maging leader talaga sila. Meaning to say, they can do their business on their own already. They're doing it independently. Okay, they know it. And of course, not just that, but of course, collaboration and cooperation kung paano ba na palalakihin mas lalo at magiging consistent ang production ng inyong team. Okay? So with regards to that, dahil sa pag-develop mo ng mga leaders, sa pag-attend ng mga trainings, yan. So magkakaroon ka ng reward. So ano ang reward mo? You're going to have a leadership bonus. For in layman's term po, ang tawag po dito, it's overriding commission. Okay? Meaning to say, you're going to get an earning from the earnings of your leaders. And this will be taken from the group pairing, yung diniscuss po natin kanina, ika-4th level. So yung kumikita ng 200,000 per day. So, kung yan po ay direct nyo na inisponsoran, di ba? So, magkano pwede mong kitain dyan for the level 1? Kasi sa yung level 1 mo, 10%. So kumikita siya ng 200,000 per day, so ikaw kumikita ka ng 20,000 pesos. Alright? Per day. Okay, so it depends. Level 1 yun kasi 10%. So yung mga succeeding is 5%. Okay, so kung silver ka, hanggang level 4. So kung ikaw ay gold, hanggang level 5. Kung ikaw naman na diamond account, hanggang level 6. Mas malalim po. Kaya nga po pagka talagang lumalaki yung organization, it is really advisable na i-upgrade mo yung account mo para talagang na-maximize mo yung earnings. Okay? So yung mga 5% po niyan ay pag pinagsama-sama mo po yan, ay malaki na po yan. Okay? So for example, diamond account ka, so hanggang 6 level. Eh yung sinasabi natin na yung may kumikita ng 200,000 per day, eh nandun siya sa level 6. Okay, so how much are you earning? You're going to earn 10,000 pesos per day. Okay, kung talagang na-maintain niya yung kita niya ng 200,000, okay, per day, so you keep on earning 10,000 pesos per day also. Leadership lang, hindi pa kasama yung earning mo, yung kaninang diniscuss natin from number 1 to number 4. This is add-on. Okay, itong leadership bonus na ito. Okay, and this will happen when you develop leaders. So that's why tayo po lahat na nagagawa ng negosyo na ito, talagang i-elevate natin yung sarili natin to become leaders for us to produce leaders. Because leaders begets leaders. And that's the time na makakakuha tayo ng mga rewards nitong leadership bonus na ito. Okay, so another thing, right? So yung pong kanina na first 5 na diniscuss natin na earning, yan po yung may mga nabebentang mga produkto. Okay? Because in every product, there is a corresponding PIN. At pagka yan po mga PIN na yan ay nire-register, dyan tayo kumikita ng komisyon. Okay? Dito po sa number 6 na income, ay ang senaryo po dito, walang produktong nabebenta. So papaano? Saan nanggagaling itong komisyon na ito? Sa uni-level bonus. Okay, meaning to say, sa maintenance po ng ating mga account. At alam po naman natin na sa ganitong klase ng industriya, meron po tayong maintenance. Okay? At kahit naman hindi sa ganitong industriya, kahit sa ibang industry, kahit sabihin mo sa sales industry o kahit anong klase ng business, okay, meron pong tinatawag na monthly maintenance o yung tinatawag nilang quota para sa ibang mga industry. Pero dito sa atin, sa network marketing industry, tawag po natin dito ay maintenance. At meron nga po tayong maintenance na $30 per account. Okay? At ang maganda nito, yung maintenance na ito, may equivalent point value, 21 PB. Meaning to say, nag-earn din po tayo dito. Hindi po totally ito na nilalabas lang natin. Kaya yung iba po na nagsisimula, no, o nakapagsimula na, mapapansin niyo pagka nagme-maintain kayo ng $30, okay, napapansin niyo yung 100% nung $30 na yan, napupunta lang doon sa points na iniipon mo. Okay? So in short, it is also our game. Okay? Yung maintenance natin. And it's very minimal. That's only $30. So kung 1:15 exchange rate natin, that's only 1,500 compared to the bigger amount of maintenance compared to other companies. Alright? So yan yung isa sa pagpapasalamat natin dito sa ating company, mababa lang po ang maintenance. So you can see itong uni-level bonus na napakarami pong mga mechanics po, no, na computation hanggang 8 directs up to override up to 20th generations. Mas marami pong nakasulat, mas maganda kasi mas maraming ibibigay na komisyon. Okay, so sa umpisa po, no, pwedeng hindi muna natin agad siya maintindihan, pero para po mas kahit papaano makuha nyo yung gist of this, I will show you a sample computation. Okay, ito po yan, no. Ang senaryo po nito, ikaw ay nakakuha ka ng dalawa and yung dalawa mo is actively maintaining their account and then sila din, meron din silang naging na-invite na actively din sa business. Siyempre, pag active, active din yung magiging account nila. So, ito po yan yung simulations niyan. Yung dalawa, kumuha ng dalawa, and then active sila nagme-maintain. At pagka yan, umabot po yan ng 20 levels na perfect po yung tagda-dalawa. Okay, this is just a scenario. This is not guaranteed. Okay. So, kumbaga pampa-excite po ito. Ito yung possibility na what if. Yan. So, dalawa hanggang 20th level. Okay. So, there is a possibility that you can earn 1.3 million dollars po in a month. Yan. So that's the power of the uni-level bonus. Of course, this will happen in due time, di ba? Pagka malaki na yung organizations mo at talagang na master na at talagang naging habit na yung pagme-maintain ng every account natin, yan. That's the possibility. Okay, so for now, ito po yung mga actual. Ito totoo na talaga siya kasi earned na 'to na uni-level bonus. Just last month, ito po yung mga earnings from the uni-level bonus. Okay? Actually, kung tutuusin itong uni-level bonus na ito, ano na lang ito eh, parang dagdag na lang ito eh. Okay? Pero tignan nyo po, no, yung number 1 nung last month from Malaysia, $10,000. Wow. So that's how much? That's half a million. Dahil lang po sa mga maliliit ng inikita mo, 'di po ba? Dahil nga po malaki ng organizations mo, ayan. So, pagka nag-accumulate 'yan, ang laki pa rin, 'di ba? Parang earning na 'yan dun sa mga binanggit natin kanina na income, ay na ways to earn. Ito, uni level pa lang $10,000 na for April, month of April alone. Okay, so ang number 2, top 2 is from Malaysia. Wow, congrats. Asingit ang Philippines sa number 3 and number 4 slot. Yan. So they have an extra 3,900. And then meron pang Philippines sa spot 6, 7, and 8. Alright. So tignan nyo, mas ano pa tayo, naka-achieve pa tayo compare sa other countries. So congratulations Philippines. Yan. So maganda ang earnings sa uni-level bonus. Alright? So meron po tayong mga, dahil tayo po ay hybrid yung ating compensation plan, meaning to say pinagsama po na binary and stair step. So that's why we have also here ranking. Okay, may mga position po tayo na pwede nating ma-achieve. At yan po ay magsisimula sa position na future star, 1 star, 2 star, and 3 star manager. And para po sa mga manager position, meron po tayong rank up bonus na tinatawag or yung one-time bonus pagka na-achieve mo yung particular position, you're going to get a $300 in terms of register wallet. Okay, pagka 1 star. So pagka 2 star ka naman, okay, that's $600. And then pagka yung 3 star manager naman yung na-achieve mo in 1 month, okay, you're going to have an extra. Syempre, pagka nag 3 star manager ka, maraming pumasok na points sa'yo, di ba? So, meron kang kita na level pairing, may kita kang group pairing, may kita kang leadership bonus, and of course, bibigyan ka ng bonus pa na $900. So, what if in a month, na-achieve mo tong posisyon na to? First week pa lang, by points, nakuha mo, 1 star ka na. Tapos on the second week, nag 2 star ka na. And then, before the month ends, na-achieve mo yung 3 star manager position. Okay? So, how much will you going to get? So, lahat po yan, ibibigay po yan sa inyo. Okay? So, kung first week pa lang, nag 1 star ka na, ibibigyan ka ng 300. And nung second week mo, nakuha mo yung points na yan, 2 star. Di bibigyan ka ng 600. And before the month ends, nakuha mo yung 3 star manager, you're going to get also 900. Alright? So, ganyan po ka-generous ang company. Kung ano yung sinet nila, ibibigay nila. Alright? So, that's very, very good news. And ito pa po, isa sa pinaka-good news. Siyempre, Sasabihin ng iba, meron pa bang mataas na posisyon para mas malaki ang komisyon? Meron po. At yan po ay tinatawag nating directorship position na magsisimula yan sa Sapphire Director all the way up to the Crown Ambassador. And for now, at this present moment, meron na po tayong 2 Crown Ambassador sa buong mundo. At yan po ay, we are proud that they are Filipinos. Sila po ay ang Quaresma couple at ang Baluran couple. Okay, pareho po yan naka-base dito sa Davao. So congratulations to them. Okay? So katulad po ng manager position, di po ba, siyempre ngayon ito directorship position, mas mataas ang maukuha ng one-time bonus. At yan po, ayan yung amount na makikita nyo doon sa red na box. Yan, 1,500. At of course, kung ikaw naman ay Crown Ambassador, $16,000. One time lang po yan. Okay, one time. Okay, bonus lang po talaga dyan. At higit sa lahat, ang pinakamaganda po niyan dito sa directorship position ay yung nakikita yung mga percentage na yan. Di ba? Yung mga percentage na yan, sabihin nyo, ang liit naman ang percentage na yan. Bakit puro point naman yan? Point percentage yan, pero malaki po ang equivalent niyan in terms of money. Why? It is your share sa gross global sales ng kumpanya on a monthly basis. Because the company will allot a total of 2.1%, okay, na paghahati-hatian, at dyan po papasok iyang mga 0.6, 0.5, 0.4 na yan based on computation. So meron ka na namang dagdag na ways to earn para sa iyong wallet o para sa iyong komisyon dito sa negosyo. Okay, so grabe, no? Sobrang dami. This totals the 8 ways to earn dito sa compensation plan ng Prive. And then, is it possible? Yes, very much impossible. Okay, very much possible. Okay, why? Meron na po kasing mga nakaka-achieve in just a very short period of time. And there's still a lot na nandiyan na on their way to getting their rank up position. Okay, and also yung mga earnings na sinasabi natin kanina, they already actual earnings na po yan. So we can say this is not just a possibility, but it's already a reality. Okay? Kaya nga po ganyan katindi po ang potential ng ating negosyo. Kaya po we encourage everyone not just to share the product, but of course share the possibility of the business. Okay, so ito po yung target natin, to share one iTera Care device per household so that you can bring light to every home. Alright? Sabi nga po kanina, this is Annie Rambuanga, no? Ito po ang isa sa pinakamagandang meron tayong bagay sa loob ng bahay. Okay? Dahil ito po ay para kami sariling doktor sa loob ng bahay mo. Okay? Dahil alam naman natin sa panahon ngayon, magastos ang magpa-hospital, magastos magpa-doktor. Okay? Kaya meron po tayo dapat na iTera Care device. At yan po ang target natin para sa mga kakilala natin, 'di ba? At least they have their own device para maiwasan yung mga emergency cases, 'di ba? Na pwede nating ma-address by our first aid by using this iTera Care device. So that's why our slogan is really, it's a good day to change lives by sharing the amazing effect of the product and of course sharing the possibility of earning well in the compensation plan. So that ends our business plan compensation. So thank you everyone for listening.